Today we're doing a steering wheel swap. Earlier videos you guys saw the Mines one. I have the OEM one on this car and I just kind of want to switch it around a little bit. This is a brand new Series 2 with the gray silver stitching. It really goes with the interior. But today we're going to actually show you guys two things. We're going to take the wheel off, we'll show you step by step, and then we're going to actually show you guys how to program the anti-airbag light off. So stay tuned. All right, so we need a special security bit, if you guys can see that. So take this off, but first, before I do anything, I'm gonna disconnect the negative battery terminal, and I'm gonna do that with a 10mm. So I'm just gonna stretch in here. I'm gonna pull this off. Battery's in the back. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so I pull the negative terminal off, so we don't have any airbags pop. We'll leave that 10mm there. We'll go through here. We're gonna get these off. Both sides, we have two plastic covers like this on both sides. They just come off with like a little pick tool. And then you want to get in here with this really special T security bit. This will release the airbag. Now, doing this for the first time, this will be on here really, really strong. I'm going to say that because we've already done this before. And so I've been driving this. I like this wheel, but I kind of want to experience the other wheel. This is our joke of a wrench, but this is what we got going on here. So one thing I did, this wheel has actually always been crooked, and that actually has nothing to do with the alignment or anything. When we switch wheels, and I'll show you guys. Get this airbag out real quick. So those two bolts on the side, remove all that stuff. Then there's like this extra little clip over here. So there's this clip right here. What you gotta do is just disconnect that. And then this one is actually in like a little holder here. You gotta get that out as well. So this is a brand new OEM airbag. When I ordered this steering wheel, I ordered it with the airbag so that it completely matched. So we're gonna set this off to the side. I do have, this is the old steering wheel and the old airbag. You can see the difference in the color. And this is the old original wheel that was on the car. Like this airbag never matched the new one. Like, I know the lighting's probably off. It's just, yeah. We'll pull it on the table, I'll show you. Because this is coming out. I wanna actually show you guys when I pull this out, the OEM wheel will be perfectly straight. Okay. Disconnect this little guy over here. It's part of the grounding. We will take that wheel safely somewheres. Let's see the old one real quick. This wheel, forget that clock spring. This wheel always sat perfectly like this. See how it's straight? Let me see the other one. Actually, this wheel will never, it's just a spline, it's like a manufacturing thing. Even if I put this wheel, it just doesn't go straight, if you will. Well, it's not in though. The splines like doesn't allow it. I don't know how to explain it. Not different.
Because it's even like getting an aftermarket.
See, there it just went in. See, it won't go in here. It won't go in here. The next spline is over there, which is like, my thing is, I think like that these are never like perfectly like machined exactly the same. Let's see the other wheel, the Mines one. Mine. So this wheel had all this caging and everything on it, so we transferred this when we decided, but we did not rock this wheel because of the color difference, which is really strange. I don't know if that camera will pick it up, but this came from Mines. It does Mines. But look at these, all this stuff is Mines, and it's just, there's a weird color difference. That's why we didn't put this wheel in.
It's just the suede is
It's gray. Well, it's weird because, you know, we did the black Alcantara inside, and then like this. I don't know if this matches their dashes and things like that, but yeah. So it's, splines are just, this is better-ish. So this should throw a code, which is the other thing in the video we're gonna show you guys, that this will have now an airbag code. Okay, we're good there. Take that out. It's just different. I'll take the new airbag. Yeah. Expensive, right?
You're still supposed to.
Well, the GTR airbag and the S15 airbag,
Same.
it's the same.
Yep.
So I could technically get that R34 wheel on an S15.
Yep. So what's going on right now is you don't want to cross-thread this, so the airbag just has to be like ever so set correctly, I guess you'd say. Grab the keys, Tommy. Ready?
So the method here is you'll turn the ignition key accessory on, do not start the engine, and then depressing this switch here, you will press it 7 times within 10 seconds, you'll see the airbag lights flashing, and then the indicator will shut off, and then it'll pretty much reset the airbag light.
This is the everyday floor mat. We have the monotone floor mats for the car show things. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but I picked this up when I was in Japan. This is one of those parts you can actually only get at the Omori factory. This is just a R34 tow hook. But as far as I know, you can't really get these online. It's kind of a pickup in person, or you got to know someone to get this for you. So last Tokyo Auto Salon, I picked that up, so we're going to install that pretty soon. And I have this. I'm not sure how I feel about it. This is another thing that's just hard to find, not available online. It is available in Japan at the Omori factory, but this thing is riveted. I don't know. Next video or next time you'll actually see this on.